you're manifesting lots of money, millions and billions, and you're really excited and you think you got this and it's awesome. And, you're watching my videos and it's going really well. And then you come home and there's a letter at the door and you open it and there's something telling you need to pay thousands of dollars, pounds, euros. And you're like, you gotta be kidding me. That's what we're going to be talking about today. People listen because there's going to be lots of solutions. And I'm so glad to have Barbara here because she's the one who wants to ask the question. So, Barbara, tell me what happened.
Hi, Yana. Hello, everybody. So I have this very specific question because yesterday I got this letter from the government and I have to pay taxes for something that happened years ago, 4 years ago. And so, how do you cope? How do you, let's say, avoid freaking out when you get these messages, these letters, and how do you calm down your nervous system to solve the problem?
Okay, so this is how I look at it. First of all, yeah, whatever it could be a mistake. It's a mistake. It's a mistake. Second of all, well, there's nothing they can do to me because I don't have the money. So, it'll sort itself out. It's not a biggie. I went through far worse. This is easy. This is easy. I'm a multimillionaire. I will go right back to my lane. I'm still a multimillionaire. So how could this disturb me? Well, it couldn't. And then you say, universe, sort this shit out. And you take everything, the emotions and the bother and the stress and everything, and you throw it at them. It's like, thank God I don't have to deal with this shit. And you
Okay.
let sorting them out. And what could easily happen is it was a mistake. They will forget about it. They will send you a letter with apology. They will send you a letter with apology and saying we fucked up. Or they will say, how do you want to pay? We have payment plan. And you're okay, I'm gonna pay you 100 euros a month. Well, you know, or you say, I'm gonna take it. Or you go on TikTok and there's gonna be a lawyer saying, when you get a letter like this, contact me because I can help you get rid of it or I can help you sort it out. It's usually a mistake on their side, blah, 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 blah. Something will happen what will sort the situation out for you. But the main thing is not stress, not worry, because if you do not stress and don't worry, the solutions will come to you very, very fast and it'll be sorted out very, very fast. If you stress and worry, you're screwed. You're screwed. You will not hear what universe has to say. You will not get the inspired action universe what is sending you. It's gonna take long and it's gonna be tedious, and you don't want that. So I'm a multimillionaire. This is, it will be easily sorted. I can call the company and say, how dare you make a mistake? That's on you. I'm not paying a shit. Who the fuck do you think you are? I want to see the documentation. I want to see it now. How could you fuck this up? I'm not paying a shit. There's hundreds of things you could do. But the only thing not to do is freak out and say, oh my God, and everything's against me, and I've been trying this manifesting and it doesn't work. I always get shit, don't I? Because that's that puts you from I'm a multimillionaire, I have nothing, and I always lose out. You go right from a winner to victim, and you will never, it's impossible to win at that moment. You chose the wrong reality, the wrong timeline, the wrong parallel reality, and you cannot win. Does it
Okay.
make sense?
Yes, a lot.
Because you're not you I know that you guys get this stuff and you feel instantly powerless. And I try so hard, and I know you do. And I make so much effort and I do everything what Yana says. And it's really I'm making this happen and then I get shit like this. And what if it was universe
Mhm.
seeing if you're actually serious about staying in this lane? Yeah.
Yeah.
What if they throw you something? Your subconscious
Mhm.
mind will throw you something just to see if you're serious or if you're just talking shit again. because that's what you've done your whole life,
Okay.
because you said you wanted this and you did this. So your subconscious mind is used to you talking shit and it's saying, well, she knows how to do that too well. Let's see. And they throw something at you and they're waiting for you to prove yourself. Am I the old version of me, which never gets any money, or am I the new multimillionaire version, which gets everything? And if you fail at this point, you outdid everything you worked on until now. And you have to start again. So what
Wow.
would I recommend? Yeah, whatever. Multimillionaire. That's all I have to say about that.
Okay.
Does
Great.
it make sense?
Absolutely, yes.
How does it make you feel?
Much better. Relief.
Because that someone says something. Guys, how are you taking it seriously? Next time you'll be telling me that you take politics seriously. It's like one politician says this, the other politician says the exact opposite. You don't know where the truth is. And do you believe them?
No.
Exactly. So why do you believe in some whatever? Why do you believe what people say? You're supposed to believe what you think, not what other people think.
Yeah.
And by the way, universe is far stronger than anyone else. So universe has the ultimate say. You ask universe for help. Universe, sort it out. I'm not paying this. Not because you're against, paying what you own, but because this has nothing to do with you. You've done nothing wrong. So let others sort their shit out.
Okay. Great.
Make sense?
Absolutely, yes.
Remember, you can always talk to a lawyer. You can always find an accountant, someone who will give you free advice. They will tell you what to do, or they will laugh at it and they say they're just trying to get money out of you. They legally can't, or they can, but if you took it to your ex-employer, they would have to deal with it. Whatever. There's always some advice somewhere. So I wouldn't be too disturbed. You got
Okay.
this.
Okay.
Okay.
Very well.
Any other question for today?
Yes, I wanted you to talk about the bridge of incidents. That is a nice topic.
Okay. Do you have anything specific around that?
It could be also related to money. You are manifesting money and then you get all these incidents, let's call them.
Incidents or
Yeah.
disturbances.
Yes.
Um, so bridge of incidents, what I call it is good and bad things may have to happen in order for you to get what you want. So not every journey to be millions is straightforward. It goes like, right? The whole thing is going to go like this, and it goes, and you're just like, oh my God, I can't believe this. I thought it was going to be easy. And it takes all sorts of turns and stuff, and sometimes not good ones, just like you receiving that letter. And all you need to remember, good and bad things have to happen in order for me to get what I want. Connected to that, Yana said in many videos, which you can find if you subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and go find all the videos on bridges of incidents. There's quite a few. It's explained in great detail. You may get situations which you really will not like, but if they didn't happen, you're not going to get what you want. So what do you prefer? Probably going through something unpleasant as long as you get what you want, right?
Exactly.
It's
Yes.
like being redirected by universe or skipping something what looks amazing but could really get you in troubles. Or there will be a person you really don't want to deal with because they look awesome and then something horrible would happen. So you're being redirected around things and it's a guarantee that if you go through it and hanging there and look relatively unbothered, not stressed and not worried, you're still gonna get what you want. So, bridges of incidents, good, bad things, it doesn't matter. You need to have the identity of someone who has what you want.
Mhm.
I'm a multimillionaire. I'm pretty. I have beautiful wavy hair. I have beautiful eyes, great skin. I'm thin. I'm magnetic. Whatever it is you want, thin, whatever. I don't care. I'm that person. I deserve it. I already have it. There's nothing you can do. Anyone, nothing you can do about it. Nothing. And you stay in that identity, like, oh yeah, ha, that was funny. You know, how you did this, how you did that to me. It was unpleasant, but that was funny. Because when you get what you want and you look at everything you had to go through to get it, you will start laughing, even at the bad things, because you will see why they had to happen and how it wouldn't work out if they didn't happen.
Okay.
Make
It,
sense?
yes, yes, it
So
makes sense.
basically, everything what happens to me is has to happen so that I get what I want. So I really don't care. Really
Okay.
don't care. Everything's positive. Even the bad chat is really good for me because that means that I'm definitely getting what I want. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Fantastic. People, if you want to work with me, there's links in the video's description. There's also a link to book a call if you want to, just like Barbara, be part of my Millionaire Accelerator, where I teach how you have to behave, how you have to feel, how you have to talk, how you have to dress, how you have to do everything to be a millionaire before the money is allowed to come to you. So if you want to be a millionaire, this is the best thing we have on offer. Go and sign up, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye for now.
Thank you. Bye.